This is a Bernina 153. It said was made in Switzerland, but I'm not sure because this machine, it was made in 2001, and the factory in Thailand started in 1990. So I'm not sure if they from Thailand made or from Switzerland, but what I can say, this machine is high quality because all materials are high quality plastic, steel, and aluminum. We can see the cover, plastic cover for the bobbin. There is a hook here, plastic and steel. And I'll show this. It's a hook with plastic and steel, very hard plastic. The bobbin, metal. So this machine is very nice machine, heavy duty. I can say for heavy duty. Probably the weight is about 25 pounds around, and the crank slide is aluminum. So there is a small circuit board for the light, probably for something else, and this is for the presser foot. We have inside the machine here a stepping motor for needle positioning and zigzag. Have a lot of wires here connected from the power supply that goes in the back. This is the power supply to the front circuit board. This is a bobbin winder and others parts are at the back here. Some metal. This is aluminum. Push and pull the hook shaft. This is aluminum. This is a feeder carrier, and this is the handle on the top. This is the handle broken, but this is still working handle. So this is probably 24 years old, but very super nice machine, heavy duty. Probably after the 830, this is one of the machines that they were made with very nice materials and heavy duty materials. So hoping you like this video. If you like, give me a like, share it, and subscribe my channel.